Hi, welcome to the next video. In this video, I'll show you how IT service providers can offer employee screen monitoring as a managed service, step by step. So if you run an IT service company or MSP and you manage multiple clients, this video is for you. Many of your customers are already asking questions like, how can I see what my employees are doing on their PCs? Or can I monitor remote staff and home office workers? Or do you know any software for employee monitoring? And instead of just recommending a tool and walking away, you can turn this into a managed service that you deliver and maintain for your clients. And the service that you could use is Wolfeye Remote Screen, that you can download on wolfeye.co. And we have here, especially for IT service provider and collaboration. So contact us and we will let you know how this works. But in this video, I want to talk about what, from a technical standpoint, what you will offer to your clients, because you see it in the screenshot. Wolfeye is a small piece of software that you will install and be able to roll out within minutes. You will install within less than half a minute on each of your employees, on your clients' computers, business computers. And basically a small piece of software. You install it, let's say on 50 computers or 100 computers or 500, and then your clients will get access to their dashboard. I log off the dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. Yeah, they log into the dashboard. It's a demo, that's why the password is displayed. Log into it. And what they will see in this case is a demo. Only 5 computers have been installed with Wolfeye. They see the live computer screen for each of the computer that Wolfeye has been installed. Okay, and they could change the columns to 2 columns so they see bigger screen, or 3 columns so they see more screens. And they could even take a closer look by choosing one of the computers, let's say this, and hitting this live link here. And then they will see for that particular computer the live screen in full size. Again, this is the demo session. That's why you only see a dummy picture. These are dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see the live screen. And live screen means it is a screenshot that's updated every 2 to 3 seconds, yeah, and sent to the server so that it can be displayed on the dashboard of your customers. Yeah, so it's a screenshot that's updated every 2 to 3 seconds, sent to the server. And so you have this delay of 2 to 3 seconds, and that's how you will see the live computer screen with a delay of 2 to 3 seconds. And the newest screenshot that's sent to the server replaces the oldest one. So no data is saved to the server. You also have the possibility to, this is disabled by default, but if you needed it, it depends on your use case, on the use case of your clients and everything, to enable screenshot history so that your client could check at the end of the day what has been done throughout the day. And if you do that, you have the option to choose one computer and to open this history link that will show you the screenshot history. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is made. Of course, this is only demo dashboard, so you only see dummy pictures. Yeah. So if you would like to try it out, come to our website on wolfeye.co, yeah, wolfeye.co, and click this button that says 14 days free trial. And here you can book a live demo session. Basically, this is a demo session with Google Meet. We can see each other. Of course, you can also contact me on WhatsApp or write me an email, a message on WhatsApp, or also an email. um, Here you have contact information also. But basically, in this Google Meet, we can see each other, yeah, and I will give you access to my dashboard so you see my live screen. So you exactly know how it works, and I will give you the download link of Wolfeye Remote Screen so that you can install it on your client's computers. Yeah, and that's how it works, basically. I can guide you through the installation if you wanted, if you would need help. Yeah, because we are in a Google Meet and you can share the screen, and I would guide you. So I hope this helps. Come to our website, wolfeye.co, hit this button on the top of the page, and book a demo session. I hope this helps.